Good morning everybody. Today our first day in Picton. We woke up early in the morning, like 6 o'clock. We are staying in Picton Yacht Club Hotel. It's just over there. Over there I see the saddle of the Marlborough Sounds. Today we'll discover this area. We booked a hotel in the Marlborough Sounds, in the remote places over there. So because of the flood early this year, the road was damaged, so we couldn't access to the hotel in the south, in the remote places. So we had to organize a water taxi because we arrived late in the morning, and then we couldn't find the taxi, water taxi to go there, so we had to cancel our booking. Hopefully they refunded our money, and then we booked another hotel in Picton. It's a good choice because we arrived very late, and then we had a short drive, like 5 minutes drive, and then we checked in the hotel, and then we had a rest, good sleep. Otherwise we arrived very late. We would have a water taxi in the night time. It would cost us a lot of money, and also it would take another 1 hour. Other option, if the road wasn't damaged, we would drive there another 2 hours, and then after driving 12 hours from Auckland to Picton, and plus 4 hours ferry sailing, it would be very tiring to go there and spend another 2 hours. So I think we made a very good decision. We stayed in this hotel, and early 6 o'clock in the morning, and we are walking. Excellent. Now we are exploring Picton Marina. See the toilets, public toilets. Beautiful. I think we are the only 2 people walking early in the morning. It's 6 o'clock. People are sleeping still. Today is the Christmas Day, 25th of December. So I wish you all a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Yes, these are the water taxi. They don't operate at night time, and also they don't operate in the Christmas Day. We paid the money for the hotel, and then we couldn't go there, but hopefully they refunded our money. Otherwise the water taxi to go there would cost us another fortune. See, it's a windy day, so maybe we can walk over this bridge. I'm wearing my mask all the time because for festive season they allow people go out of Auckland, so we did, but we must be cautious. We are waiting for safety. We are trying to put on our masks all the time. Oh my god, it's beautiful. Picton is a small town. There is a harbor here. See the ferry? We crossed the Cook Strait from Wellington to Picton. It was a 4-hour sailing, cruising. It's a huge ferry. I didn't expect that. Like there are restaurants, cafes, bars, cinemas, game lounges inside the ship, inside the cruise, inside the ferry, whatever you name it. It's a big big boat. It's like I'm comparing the ferries in my country, but I think this one is very big. Maybe similar to the ones in Greek islands. Because I have masks on, so I'm not sure if my voice is good. I don't want to take it off to be safe. Oh, nice walking track. I like walking in the marinas. Maybe I put this to YouTube like walking tour of Picton, something like that. In the next couple of days we will explore this area, this region, Marlborough region. Maybe if we stayed in the Portage Hotel in the Marlborough Sounds, it would be very handy to walk around. But now if we go there, I think we must drive to the skirts of the mountain. Actually these are sounds like fjords, but for thousands of years the weather, the climate's changed. This place a little bit warmed up, so there are no snows in these sounds, in these geographically maybe say fjords or sounds. But in the south there are, that place is very cold, similar to east of Turkey. There are snows, but in Marlborough Sounds no snow. So we'll explore these places. Maybe we'll do like hiking, walking, trekking, not this place, not the land. We will go along the sea. My wife, Rishikesh is coming. Happy?
Happy. Adam Merry Christmas dedi.
Öyle mi?
Hı hı. Çok mutluydu.
Evet, evet.
Orhan.
Dışarı our pussycat friend following us. I think she's very friendly, she's needy, but she's scared because the cats are unexpected, not like dogs. Bak kedi hayvan.
Ya Orhan biliyorsun kedilerden hoşlanmıyorum.
Öyle mi? Gel.
Gel çıkalım buradan gel.
Our pussycat friend, she's very needy. She needs some interest, like she liked us, and then see, she's very needy. She's following us. I don't know if he or she.
This one who catch you.
Yeah, she's needy.
I want it.
Merry Christmas. She liked us, she's following us. Still following us. Oh, not giving up.